Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve, if you're trying to resolve the VSS error code 0x8004231f, failed to create a snapshot. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in services. Best match should come back with services listed right above app. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. You want to scroll down and locate the volume shadow copy service. And go ahead and double click on that. You want to go ahead and start the service. And then attempt to run the application again and see if that has resolved the problem. And that is pretty much it, guys. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.